Lindsay Weirich of Orrington has been painting with watercolors since she was 5. Now this mother of 3 is planning a Paint Your Vacation retreat in the south of France. There, she and 16 other participants who watch her Frugal Crafter YouTube channel will be surrounded by inspiration.
We'll be spending a week in France, in the south of France, at this resort that's got beautiful gardens and landscapes, and it's out in the countryside. So we'll be painting there most days. There's a big barn that's been converted into an art studio.
Weirich says that retreat participants will also get the opportunity to visit a botanical garden, take part in a wine tasting, and eat delicious French cuisine.
It's just going to be a vacation of a lifetime, I think, and just relax and paint and let your worries melt away, and yeah, get in that mind space of just creating beautiful things.
Weirich says this trip planned for May of 2024 filled up in just 3.5 days.
And these retreats tend to be mostly women that come, and I think it's like a chance for them to be like, okay, my kids are set, my spouse is set, I can just go and do this for me.
However, those who can't find the time to travel can still paint their cares away from the comforts of their home.
So I have about 4,000 active students in my online classes, and then I have a YouTube channel with over 500,000 subscribers. So you can try the classes for free. Just watch my YouTube channel, and you can paint along for free any day of the week.
In Orrington, I'm Jody Hersey for ABC 7 and Fox 22 News.